on, family? Went and caught me a good used work truck today. Only got a couple of dents on the bed, but you won't believe what I got this Z71 for. That's all it had was just a little bed damage, which is a work truck. You know what I'm saying? But it runs good. Everything in here works. It's 4-wheel drive, so it got all the little options, some towing package and all that good stuff. So it got the 4 doors, which is an extended cab door, so it's not like the real 4-door. But everything, like I say, everything works in here. You got a lot of room. Damn good deal. My main thing was to have 4-wheel drive, and like I say earlier when I was talking about getting something and you don't fully own it, hey, I just wanted to pay cash for it and got a steal for it. Hold on.